There's two different kind of rig welders. Now you have rig welders who actually working on oil rigs, and then you have people who actually have their own welding rig that works on pipelines and works on structural sites and things like that. So there's two different kinds. And depends on what you're trying to do, family. You can make great money being a rig welder. Some rig welders that I know of just use their rig doing pipelines, make anywhere from 125 to 200,000 plus a year. It depends on what plants they're doing, or what state they're in, or what type of pipe they're putting down. It just depends on what they're doing, but they make great money using their rigs. Now, using your rig a lot of times meaning you'll have to get at least a 3,500 truck, 2,500, 3,500 truck. You have to have a certain type of linking pipeliner welder. You have to have a few things that you need on that, your cutting rig, everything you need to make sure that the job can be done. Now, there's a different type of rig welder also if you're doing construction, because construction doesn't have to have the same type of welding equipment that those pipeline welders need, the rig welders need. So there's a big difference. They can come in with a 225, a 250, or 305, and they can get the job done excellent. So, depends on what they're doing. A lot of times they're doing structural welding, and they're putting staircases in, or they're putting different type of ornamental stuff in, or they're actually doing moment welds on the existing construction buildings going up now, because a lot of times we're going up due to land space. So, there's a few different type of rig welders. So I just wanted to give you some updates on that and just let you know I do own a welding rig. I did do some pipeline welded. I never had a pipeline welding rig as far as just a Lincoln pipeliner, but I did have a Lincoln 305, and I did do pipe welding and structural welding, but I did more structural fabrication and installation, and I kind of liked it that more. In my personal opinion, I liked it more. I made a lot more money because I was a little bit more flexible with knowing how to rig things up and knowing how to fabricate in the field. So I enjoyed that kind of rig welding. Hold on.